Alright, fellow pagan pals, we are on day 3 of our 10-day spiritual cleansing journey, and I'm hurting. And if you've been following along and joining me on this roller coaster, you might be hurting too. I'm achy and I feel like a cauldron at the end of ritual. I'm just totally burned out, but it's okay. These pains are to be expected, and I've got just the thing to help you through this difficult time. We are going to relax our tired bodies in a nice warm soak in the tub with a crystal bath bomb and keep ourselves distracted from other desirable feelings we may be having. Bath bombs are generally easy to put together because the basic ingredients can be found right around your house. These plastic ornaments I got at Michael's will be my molds, but you can use cookie cutters if you don't have anything else. This spray bottle is housing 91% isopropyl alcohol, which will keep my mixture wet but won't set off the reaction between the baking soda and the citric acid. The citric acid I bought online, but you can find it at your grocery store or in the canning section at Walmart. I'm using lemongrass and eucalyptus essential oils for body aches, along with epsom salt, which is also good for muscle pain as well. I have some measuring cups here, and I'm using beetroot powder as a colorant to give my bath water a pink champagne color. The sunflower liquid lecithin is to disperse the oils so my tub doesn't get slippery, but it's optional. I bought it on eBay. I'm using a blend of avocado, safflower, and coconut oil. Also, I have a muffin tray lined with a napkin and wax paper so my bath bombs can dry out properly. The star of these bath bombs are the crystal quartz that I will embed. Definitely will help in replenishing your energy. Finding ways to restore your life force on this journey is part of the experience, and a bath with some crystal energy work, come on, 2 peas in the pod right there. Use a sieve if you have one on hand to work out the clumps, and measure 1.5 cups of baking soda. Next, take half a cup of citric acid and a 1/4 cup of epsom salt. Blend it up to break it down to make it finer. This will make it easier to mix everything up in the end. In a smaller bowl, add 1 tablespoon of the oil of your choice and 2 teaspoons of the sunflower lecithin, which has the consistency of molasses. I am also using 10 drops each of the lemongrass and eucalyptus essential oil, and then at the last minute I decided to add about 5 drops of orange essential oil for a touch of citrus. I put 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder through the sieve for a very soft pink bath bomb, but I suggest going all out and putting 1/2 cup of it in there if you want something darker. Slowly add your oils and stir it up with your hands. Now, there is something magically therapeutic about this entire process. I totally got lost in the texture and the smell of the essential oils. They were absolutely divine. I just completely zenned out in this moment. Totally satisfying. When you snap back to reality, spray your mixture until it starts to hold together and clump, and once you reach the point where the mixture holds its form steadily, it is time to mold. With 1/2 of your mold, sprinkle in some beetroot powder, place your crystal in the mold, and overfill it with your bath bomb mixture. Overfill the other half and then firmly press the 2 halves together without twisting it. It doesn't matter if the 2 sides don't match up exactly. Just firmly press and then remove 1/2 of the form and then the other. And that's pretty much it. So pretty. With the other 2, I decided to drill a little hole in the mixture with my finger and fill it up with a 1/4 teaspoon of beetroot powder before pressing the 2 sides together. Tap it with the back of a spoon if you are having trouble unmolding them. You can use them right away, or you can keep them in a dry place to set overnight. Tame the beast within and relax with these crystal bath bombs. Hold your crystal, recalling why you started this spiritual cleansing journey and why you want to complete it. Remember to keep writing in your journals. Subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and I'll see you for day 4. Bye!